Hello and welcome to iCalculator's video series on US tax basics. In this video, we'll be focusing on the state of Alaska. We'll cover the state's history, types of taxes and exemptions, and how those tax revenues are used to fund government services and programs. Alaska is the largest state in the United States and was founded in 1959. Alaska's economy is primarily driven by the oil, natural gas, and fishing industries. The state is known for its stunning natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and unique cultural heritage. Alaska is also home to many indigenous tribes and has a rich history of native art, dance, and storytelling. In terms of tax-related historical events, Alaska is one of the few states in the US that does not have a state income tax or state sales tax. However, the state does have a history of taxing the oil and gas industry, which has been a significant contributor to the state's revenue. Now let's take a look at the different types of tax in Alabama. Alabama has a variety of taxes, including oil and gas production tax, property tax, fishing tax, alcohol tax, tobacco tax, and motor fuel tax. Now let's take a look at these different taxes in further detail. Oil and gas production tax is a tax on the value of oil and gas produced in Alaska. Property tax is a tax on real estate and personal property owned by individuals and businesses. Fishing tax is a tax on the value of fish harvested in Alaska. Alcohol tax is a tax on the sale of alcoholic beverages in Alaska. Tobacco tax is a tax on the sale of cigarettes and tobacco products in Alaska. Motor fuel tax is a tax on the sale of motor fuel in Alaska. Now we have covered the different types of taxes, it's important to understand what these taxes go towards. Alaska's tax revenues are primarily used to fund government services and programs, including education, healthcare, public safety, transportation, and infrastructure. In recent years, Alaska has invested heavily in its infrastructure, particularly in the areas of transportation and communication. Now let's take a look at the different types of tax exemptions in Alaska. Alaska has various tax exemptions, including permanent fund dividend, federal employee retirement income, Social Security income, military pay income, SSI benefits, railroad retirement benefits, workers' compensation benefits, veterans benefits. That is all for this video on Alaska tax basics. We hope that this Alabama state tax guide was helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the state's tax system. By knowing more about the history, types of taxes, how taxes work and the various exemptions available, you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Be sure to stay tuned for the next state tax guide in this series, or check out our US Tax Basics playlist. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.